Hey.
Well done.
Oh. Hey, Auntie. Good. I mean, I greet you. Auntie. I beg. Now hunger.
Hunger what? I don't understand.
Auntie. As I enter here, I can't make you give me 3 fufu. I talk 3 fufu with my mouth. But I don't talk how many meat. If she give me water, I take swallow the fufu. I for swallow am too. As she can't give me the food, I can't eat. As I finish now, I can't say how much.
How much do you have?
From my calculation before I reach here. This morning it will be 400.
Wait, you carry 400 naira come. What eat? How many did she request for?
3 and 3 akpu. We don't even have. I have to go and buy outside.
3 akpu. 3 meat.
I no request for meat. I just talk say bitter leaf soup. I don't talk meat.
Wait. Do you think I run a charity organization here?
They rob me. They take my bag for road as I come here. They rob me. I can't. Say I'm on the 1 meat.
1 meat na 700.
I don't think I'm like that. They say for my village, grass cutter will big. 1 full one with the head, the blood, everything. Now 500.
Ah! Shut up! You give me my money. You will keep my money. Ijoma. That's a good deal. Ijoma.
Ma?
Carry her. Take her to the kitchen. Pack all the dirty plates. In fact, if you can ask our neighbors to add theirs to it, it will be better. So you wash it. You know what will happen? You will wash until you pay my 1,300.
That one's still better. I do that one.
What did you just say?
I don't get what they do. Make her wash the plate. When you order this milk now, you come with accommodation and pick it.
Accommodation what? Would you get out of here? Go and wash the plate. Accommodation, okay. Move!
That's impressive. You sit down for some time and then you can lie back. I'll be back.
Hey, Sissy. How are you? Fine. Getting better.
Have you taken any drugs today? That's what she just gave me now. Sorry. Oh, you'll be fine. Okay, I got for you. Oh, wait. I just finished taking drugs. Let it digest first. You don't want to eat now? I will eat, but not now. Okay. What? Why are you smiling? Okay. I've been observing that uncle that paid the hospital bill. I think he likes you. Likes me? Yes. But I don't think so. Well, I think so. He likes you. Tell him I shut up. Just saying. I think he likes you. I don't know what you're talking about, but I just said I think he likes you. Keep thinking. Alright, so how you feel? Getting better now.
Fam, enjoy you.
It's a long one.
You know what? I cannot wait to see that girl. Every time you're talking about this girl, every time. The problem is Uzo is not around. If she's here now, we'll take a good look at that girl to know if she's okay for you to marry.
I don't understand. When did we discuss that I'm going to marry her?
Yeah. Papa, that's your daily prayer now. You talk about it every time.
Can you be serious for once?
I'm serious now. Every time Chika this, Chika that, I eat Chika, I sleep Chika. You talk about her every time.
Because I helped the poor girl. That's why.
You're the first to help somebody.
No, seriously, it's because I helped her. Nothing attached.
It's okay. What time are you going to the hospital?
I'm going tomorrow. Why do you ask?
Tomorrow? You go to the hospital every day. Easy player. Your skill is not showing. Money don't come now. You are doing things.
Please. What will I offer you?
I would have said food, but I'm getting fat. Meanwhile, I told you something about Uzo now.
No, please, do not talk about Ozo here, please.
How come she's our friend?
I said do not talk about Ozo. Ozo should go to hell.
Hey, she's our friend though. Don't talk about it.
Please. I just said do not talk about Ozo here. At least you need wine. Let me get you.
I don't need wine. Let's talk about Uzo. She's our friend.
I don't want to talk about Ozo. Don't you listen?
I said I should go.
Let me get you wine. So talk.
Come back, let's talk about Uzo.
No, you will fall. You will fall. What is wrong with you? See the plate I asked you to wash. You've not washed them. You wash this. Where are you going to? You want to wash the plates? Sometimes I feel pity for you. Wash plates. I'm hungry. I gave you food. You ate. Even if and you using eating the food you've not washed. Soma. Go and leave it. Don't wash again. Come. Go and take your bath. Go and take your bath. You're serving today. Go and take it. Hey. I don't care. She wants to vomit now. I don't use my hand to take carry. Now waiting at the finance.
You're smiling. You're smiling.
Hey, Ma.
Welcome. My son, how are you? Welcome.
Good evening,
sir. How are you?
I'm fine, Ma.
Wow, Chika. I'm glad you're smiling today.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for everything you've done for us. God bless you so much. If not for you, I wonder where my family and I would have been able to get such money from.
Don't say that.
My God shall bless you.
Amen.
Thank you so much.
Amen. You know, my brother is a nice guy and he hates to see tears. Trust me. You know, he kept talking about you. He told me everything. So I decided to come see this beautiful girl myself in his own words.
Udoka. I'm sorry, I didn't introduce her. She's my sister.
How are you?
I'm fine, ma.
Nice to meet you.
Same here.
Chika, at least now that you're much more better, you have to be thinking of going home.
Yes. The doctor told us this morning that she was going to be discharged.
Whoa, nice. Good one.
So I hope you people are not lacking anything like the provisions and stuff. You still have them?
We still have some here.
Oh, okay.
Inside the...
Come, hurry up. Hurry up. Are you mad? What nonsense? Come. Where is the madam? Madam! Madam!
What's going on? What happened?
I carry food, come give Mami, so make I call you.
What food?
Eh? The one you just sneezed into.
No, sir. I not sneeze on top, sir.
Okay, you brought her here to poison us.
No.
See, sir.
See.
I hold the phone.
Hey! Oh!
In fact, anyway, I'm leaving. Don't worry.
Oga, please now.
I can't use my own money to buy my debts.
Oga,
it's not possible.
Let me change
Don't
the food,
worry,
please.
Don't worry.
What have I done to you?
I brought the phone.
Sneeze on my head. Uzoma, sneeze on my head. What have I done to you?
I'm not sure.
If I have done you wrong, let me know. I will apologize. I've not done anything to you. She? Oh yeah, come and be leaving. Eh? Uzoma, leave my shop! Eh? Fast. Stand up. Move before I see it. Move! Come, leave my shop. Did you come here with a bag? Oh yeah, move. No, you don't want to go. Wait. Oh yeah, move. Move. Oh yeah, sit there. I will kill you with my hand. I will kill you with my
Mama is still not picking.
Ikechi, call him. Call him again. Call him. Call this phone. Ikechi, call him. He will pick.
Speak.
Hello? Ebenebe? Nakedu? I'm okay. I'm fine. Where is Suzoma? Tell her to call me now. What are you saying? You have not seen her? Hey, FOMO, I'm finished. Chim. Here! Nkechi?
What is it?
My brother has not seen Uzoma, and she's not in Udoka's place.
Hey!
Whoa!
Mama, calm down first. Just
calm down!
Sit down, Mama, sit down. It's okay. Sit down first.
Hey, I'm not sitting down.
Sit down, Mama. It's okay now. Calm down. It's okay. I will call my sister and tell her. I'm sure she's going to find Auntie Uzoma. She will find her. Mama, calm
down. Do you know what you are saying?
Mama.
My daughter in the city.
Mama.
Hello. I'm finished.
No, you're not finished though. Sit down first.
Nkechi?
Don't worry. I will call my sister and they will find her. You want the neighbors to gather. Just calm down.
I'm coming down.
I will call my sister.
Okay.
I can see that. I have good news for you.
Okay.
You'll be discharged tomorrow morning.
Hey!
Yeah. Okay, I'll just prepare the bill now and hand it over to the nurse so you can go and make the payment.
It's okay, doctor. I will inform Alpha. Yeah, he said as soon as the bill is out, I should put a call to him.
Okay.
He will come and clear the bill.
That would be nice. She has to be coming for checkup every 2 weeks, so please endeavor to remind her. And also, very important, drinking of water, a lot of it at that. Chika, please don't store urine in your bladder for long, okay?
Okay.
Very essential.
I will, doctor.
Very important. Thank you. Take care.
Thank you, doctor.
God bless you.
What was it you were telling me on phone about Uzoma? Balanaya, welcome. What happened? Emeka cannot find my daughter. She left for the city and now she's lost, Emeka. I can't find my daughter. For the city? And she told you she was coming to my house? Emeka. Sister. Yeah. Follow me. Come. Here! Emeka, sit down. Emeka.
Sister.
Emeka.
Sister.
I gave her your address and phone number personally. Yes. Soma didn't want to go. But after she told me how she was insulted, I encouraged her to go. As I'm talking to you, I cannot find my daughter again. Hey!
Sister, don't worry. Don't worry. We'll look for her. But sister, it's your fault. Yes, it's your fault. You are supposed to inform me that he was coming. That way I will prepare to wait for her, pick her up at the park. Huh? You know the kind of person Uzoma is. Sometimes she's like stupid, stubborn, you know. So God knows what she has done now that is making her not to arrive whenever she's going. I don't know. But don't worry, we'll look for her, sister? Don't worry.
Yeah! Uzoma.
But sister, wait. You said you gave her my address and my phone number. Huh?
I did.
Then there's a problem. Yes. Because if you gave her my address and my phone number, at least you would have called me or at least come to my place. Sister, we need to go and look for her. Yes.
Yeah!
Wait, sister, wait. I will tell the police. Don't worry. I will report to the police first. And they will assist in looking for her. Okay? So don't worry. Let me hurry down. I'll go and look for her. Just
look for the police. Look for the report and the police. Hey! Uzo. Banano. It can't happen.
But I want this money, and I want to jolly to make this hustle to pay. I'm gonna go right there, pick up a life and hustle. I'm gonna boost my hustle, and if I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey, when I go say my hustle go pay, then go down balaga. Hey, and if I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey, when I go say my hustle go pay, then go down balaga.
Good afternoon. Anybody? The Oga.
Oga?
Girl. Good afternoon.
Madam, what do you want?
No, girl.
Girl?
Yes, sir.
What do you want?
I want to work.
You want to work?
Yes.
Should say if you this kind of work?
I fit.
This kind of work will not be for girl and for boys.
Okay, I beg, I fit do am. I fit. Yes.
Yep. And if I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey, when I go see my hustle go pay, then go down balaga. Hey, and if I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey, when I go see my hustle go pay, then go down balaga. Hey, they tell me slow down. The way you the hustle no be say you go blow now. Take a easy.
Mama, you don't need to thank me. At least she's back in good health. That is what counts.
I can make an A. I'm still thanking you. About the female, man, God Almighty is the only one that will keep blessing you.
Amen.
He will continue blessing you.
Amen.
Amen.
Thank you, Mama.
Hi.
Thank you, Mama.
Brother, thank you so much. We are so grateful.
It's okay.
Thank you.
It's all right. It's a long money. You don't need to thank me. So, Mama, I have to run along. I have a brief meeting with some friends. So I'll come back anytime I can.
Okay.
Make sure you come back. Oh.
Sure, why not? All right.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Have a nice day.
Oh, hey, Nasim, bye. You won't see me off?
A good heart is good to us. A better heart is the best to is the best. If us all see me best, it's always being good to us. A good heart is good. Yo, good to all the way. Onyopyo mage melele manowa. Maka, no matter what you do, no matter how it goes, a good heart is good. He always thinks for a way forward to go. What to do to please?
Emeka, you dey see wetin they get they do. You don't sabi wash anything. Can't see him. Those are you too much. Don't worry, your salary will increase them. You increase them, don't worry. Too much. Yes. Ah boy, see.
They say I'm thinking I'm a farmer that hustle to make the money in the village. I don't know what they say, but they say I'm dirty. The city people think I'm crazy, cause I'm hustling in dirty. But they don't know that the city is for everybody. I'm gonna go right there, pick up my life and hustle. And I'm gonna boost my hustle. And if I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey, una go see say my hustle go pay. Then go down balaga. Hey, and if I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey, una go see say my hustle go pay. Then go down balaga. Hey, they tell me slow down. The way you the hustle no be say you go blow now. Take 'em easy and know that also you can control life. But I want this money, and I want to jolly to make this hustle to pay. I'm gonna go right there, pick up a life and hustle. I'm gonna boost my hustle, and if I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey, when I go say my hustle go pay, then go down balaga. Hey, and if I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey, when I go say my hustle go pay, then go down balaga. Hey, and if I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey, when I go say my hustle go pay, then go down balaga. Hey, and if I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey, when I go say my hustle go pay, then go down balaga. Hey, they tell me slow down. The way you the hustle no be say you go blow now. Take 'em easy and know that also you can control life. But I want this money, and I want to jolly.
Beckham, Mama. How? Who said that there is no God? But the Bible says it's only the fool. Hi!
Mama, you can say that again. Do you know that I never knew there are nice people in this world? But Abraham is a very nice person. So he deserves everything nice from us.
Of course.
Yes, he does.
There is nothing, absolutely nothing that young man, the man from this family, that will not give him. There is nothing he asks or he will ask from this family that he will not give it to him.
Yes.
Chika, you know what I mean now?
Mama, no. Mama, I don't know what you are saying. I don't know. What do you mean? See, you people should leave me alone. I beg you. I don't know what you people want. Sister, why are you talking like this now? Brother Fam is a very nice person, so you need to be very nice to him. And you know what we are talking about. Am I not nice? You're nice, but just extra nice, sister.
Tomorrow you will tell me that you are in love with, what is that his name? Obi or Obinna. Do you know how much Afam is going to spend on us? Do you know? I will kill any man that will come here and tell me that he is in love with you. When you were sick, Chika, where were they? Mama. When you were sick, where did they travel to?
Mama, why are you shouting? Calm down. See, there is absolutely nothing between Obinna and I again. We are done and dusted. Mama, it's true I used to be in love with him. I used to. Not anymore. The idiot, because he heard it was a kidney problem, he thought maybe you'll be asked to come and donate one of his kidney for me. Let me catch his dirty legs in this compound again. Idiot. My sister spoken. Go.
They say I'm thinking I'm a farmer at the house to make the morning the village. I don't know what they say, but they say I'm dirty. The city people think I'm crazy, cause I'm hustling in dating. But they don't know that the city is for everybody. I'm gonna go right there, pick up my life and hustle, and I'm gonna boost my hustle. And if I make this money, then go down Malaga. Hey, una go see say my hustle go pay. Then go down Malaga. Hey, and if I make this money, then go down Malaga. Hey, una go see say my hustle go pay. Then go down Malaga. Hey, they tell me slow down. The way you the hustle no be say you go blow now. Take a easy and know that also you can control life. But I want this money and I want to jolly to make this hustle to pay. I'm gonna go right there, pick up a life and hustle. I'm gonna boost my hustle, and if I make this money, then go down Malaga. Hey, when I go say my hustle go pay.
What is it now? What is this?
Sorry.
Huh?
I don't finish already.
What's the meaning of this?
Sorry.
We are still washing the car.
I don't finish. I just to pour on top of the body now. No verse, auntie.
What kind of a thing is this?
Sorry.
I knew when I parked this car here.
What is it?
You are still washing it.
I'm delaying with the car. I don't finish already.
Can you imagine?
Sorry. See, I don't delay too much.
I came here and she was busy playing music in my car.
Music?
For what?
No.
Also, my playing music in someone's car.
No, Oga. The auntie don't play the music already. So the volume too low. I can't increase. I may give me inspiration.
The music in my car is giving you inspiration.
As I get money for my pocket, now they play when auntie come. No.
Also, don't touch someone's car. Don't play any music at all. Also,
Okay, sir. Auntie, no verse. I don't finish already. I beg no verse.
This is how you walk in this.
If you bought my husband's car, what will you say?
I'm sorry.
Because we are playing music.
No, I don't play.
Please excuse me. I beg.
Also, man, leave it. Wait.
Not by force.
her finish. Madam, wait, let her finish. Oh, Soma, not again. Oh, Soma. Oh, Soma, not again. Have you seen it? Oh, Soma. Oh, Soma, have you seen it again? Oh, Soma.
Can you imagine? Look at my body.
Madam, sorry.
No, not sorry me. Is this how you walk here?
Oh, Soma, start apologizing to her. Oh, Soma.
Look at my expensive wig.
Just listen.
Look at.
Hey, madam, no verse, no verse, no verse. Uzoma.
Sorry. What have I done?
No, I won't take this anymore. Not again.
No verse, no verse. Hey, madam.
Excuse me, please.
Ma, clean for you.
Please, excuse me. I'm not.
Oh, Soma, leave her car now.
No, now your car.
Don't wash again.
This is my car. Don't wash again.
Emeka, don't wash the car. Don't wash the car for her.
Sorry, sir. Uzoma, leave the car now. Madam, no verse.
Sorry.
You'll come again. You'll come again. My customer, please.
Your customer is wash her.
You walk here.
Okay, come.
Yay. Afam,
Yes.
is this really your house?
Of course, it's my house. It's a lot of money. Sorry, please make yourself comfortable.
This
Come
place
sit.
is beautiful.
Thank you. It is indeed beautiful. Make yourself comfortable, please. Come and have a seat.
I can sit here.
Oh, fine.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Afam, thank you so much for everything you did for me and my family. I don't know what I would have done without you. God bless you. My family and I will be forever indebted to you.
Oh. You're welcome. But I will appreciate if you stop thanking me. You see, the God we serve works in a miraculous way. He planned everything, So, normally, I am not a fan of fair women. But when I saw you, something in me kept on telling me, help this girl. And I'm glad I did. So, I'm glad you're fine now. Everything I did is for God, so no need to thank me.
Thank you so much.
There you go again.
Sorry.
So, let me quickly prepare something for you to eat. I'm a very good cook, no doubt. Oh, can we go together?
I'm not really hungry. I'm not hungry.
No, you can't come to my house without eating anything. It's okay, stay. I'm coming. Alright. Godwin, my brother. Life is good.
Yeah.
You see, I called you here for you to meet my new friend. Her name is Chika. Chika, this is Godwin. He's like a brother to me and also my business partner.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. You are looking beautiful.
Thank you so much, sir.
You can say that again. Let me shock you. Now, take a very good look at this beautiful girl. Do you believe that she still lives with the mother?
Are you serious?
Let me shock you again. Do you believe that this beautiful girl you're seeing still lives with the parents? She still depends on the parents for her daily needs.
Wow.
Unlike some girls I know that lives a promiscuous life, that jumps from one man to the other, from one place to another. You see, I'm not meant to say this in your presence though, but I'm just being very real. Ever since I met you in that hospital, Chika, my mindset has never remained the same. You've always been on my mind. You've shown me that someone can actually be very real and still catch my attention. That's exactly what you did. No, I'm sorry if you're feeling embarrassed, but Godwin here is my close friend. I can say anything in his presence. Okay, so he knows me too well. He knows when I'm caught up. Like right now, you have messed with my psyche. To be honest, you are one of a kind. You have shown me that being natural pays. You are just yourself. You didn't need to impress me. You didn't need to do all sort of drama for you to get my attention.
Chika, I must confess, you are the most luckiest someone I have ever seen. You see this from here? He is my friend, more than a friend, and my business partner. He's someone that I can really, be proud of. He doesn't like anybody. Let me say, he doesn't like women. Okay. Yeah. Wait. I can say that. But I know you very well. He doesn't like women. He's someone that said, I don't want to date anybody. All these girls, they are someone that, yeah, this and that. See you here, I'm so much surprised. And I'm telling you gospel truth. Just say yes.
No, don't say that. Don't say that. I didn't call you here to start saying that. No, I just wanted you to see her. No, I have to say my mind because I know you that you don't like me. Yeah, that's right. Speak no more, please.
Okay.
Please. Can I say something?
Go on.
Okay.
Well,
don't be shy.
Apparently, I have someone I'm seeing, though nothing serious.
Okay.
Well, I believe I should still know him more. You see, marriage is not something you just jump on just like that. Well, for the fact he said he saw my sister crying and her tears broke his heart. I love him for that.
Oh. Well, you've said it all. Seeing your sister's tears in that hospital cost me a lot. Like my friend here, he's been asking me, why are you always going to the hospital? This is the reason.
Oh yeah?
So coming to what you said, my dear, I believe if it's God's intention for us to be together, we just have to put it in prayers and keep asking God. I always believe that what will be will always be. You don't need to force it. It's meant to come natural.
Yes, sir. Nancy. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Yes.
Sir, please, I want to talk with you. I want us to discuss something. If you can give me 5 minutes of your time, sir.
Why not? Nancy, you have always been a good girl in this house. You have all my time. All my time. Can you please sit down and then talk with me?
Thank you, sir. Sir, I want to thank you immensely for all that you've done for me and bringing me this far. I must say I'm very grateful to you, sir.
It's my pleasure, Nancy. You are good too.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
My 5 years of working with you, working with you was a memorable one. God bless you, sir.
And bless you too.
Sir, permit me to tell you one thing. I'll be leaving the house soon.
What? For what?
It's my pleasure to tell you that I'm getting married soon.
Ah, this is good news. Thank you, sir. Very good news to hear. I love this. That's nice. Oh, I can't wait to see you do this. This is nice, this is nice, this is nice. Is this what you have been, saying with a bedroom voice? This is a very nice one, my dear. That's a nice one.
And my family has asked me to stop the job.
Definitely you have to stop the job so that at least you'll be with your husband. Eh? It's a very good news, my dear, so you can go on. So you'll be leaving this week?
Yes, sir. Tomorrow precisely.
Tomorrow. But that is too sudden, Why not just give me additional 1 day so that I prepare myself too?
Sir, I would have told you long ago. Due to your busy schedule, you've not been around. That was why.
Anyway, it's all right. It's all right. Please, I want you to remind me of this in the evening. For now, I will be preparing for a meeting. 1 o'clock is the time and it's almost time. Remind me of it in the evening.
Okay, sir.
So you're welcome, my dear.
All right, thank you.
Once they fix the date for the, always let me know.
Thank you, sir.
I will be there.
What is this? Is that this? Is that this? Is you see? It is that is it is that as I never this now I'm a dead person. The person who don't die when they walk. In fact, you know the best solution is go dig grave, dig ground, put me inside, cover out. That's all.
God forbid. What do you mean?
Okay.
No. What do you mean?
Okay, what I mean is that that is the meaning that is this, that Okay, Agasio, I suffer, make money, I suffer, put my strength. I suffer, put my time, I go China. I go for China, go import goods, go buy goods with my hard-earned money where I suffer for. Power na me get, strength na me get, time on me where. I go China, go buy goods. Okay, for China, there why they buy goods. I pay for deportation of the goods. I pay money complete, then deport the goods from China. Orlando na Nigeria wharf. As he enter wharf, custom is still pay by everything complete. Custom no Caesar, Work no scissor. Mommy water no swallow. Everything complete. Okay, now they come move goose, deport goose from Wharf, Lagos. To come on Onitsha. He reach for head bridge on Onitsha. He thinks capside. He more than me. He good.
Now, Okonta, now, I want you to go straight to the point. I know you are always a joker. Huh? But please, take this serious. What are you talking about?
What I am saying is that, Oga, may I ask you this small question? That way we say, small, you go there, you go travel, go see madam. You and madam go there, they happy, they other, sorry. You know, like, what I get? Something way I use my money, go do now, another man get away, I use my hard-earned currency, my power, energy, take trade. Now another man come break my hand, collect them. Or them.
It's all right.
Eh?
No, it's all right.
It's all right.
It's all right. Now, it is very clear you do not want to go straight to the point. No, I have no time to waste. You can go on, battle with yourself.
Be a man now, be a man. Okay, be a man now, be a man. Good.
Why are you laughing?
Mama, now. Like, why are you making me shy?
Okay, let me keep my face this way. I knew it! Am I not your mother? An elderly woman. I knew it. I suspected it. In fact, my instinct cannot tell me lie. I felt it.
Mama, do you know what he said? That he wants us to discuss fast so that the arrangement can commence immediately.
How? Thank you, sir. Oh! If my late husband were to be here today and see what our beautiful daughters have become in life, all those mockery of no male child, that he died out of heavy heart. But God knows the best.
Mama, stop.
He knows the best.
Mama, stop lamenting, okay?
If death had allowed you to reap the fruit of your labor, I would have been happy. But in all, may your soul rest in peace.
Mama, God has remembered us.
Yes, he has.
So stop lamenting.
He has. Go? Oh, he has.
Mama,
I will not be going to the market again. I am going to see your father's kinsmen now. I'm going to see them to ask them how it is done. I'm also collect list.
Hey, sister, I'm done packing. Packed everything.
Slim
What's happening?
Chika!
Did he propose?
I'm very happy.
I'm so happy for you. I salute Papa.
Married woman.
Hey!
You're blushing.
Nancy, please. I beg, no leave me. Nancy.
Okonta, I will miss you too. But Oga has promised to get another housekeeper.
See, Emeka, tell you, leave that one. As I talk to you like this, I don't need another housekeeper. Now be the only keeper why I know. And now you be the only keeper what I want. I don't want another keeper. I don't want another housekeeper. No only you. I beg. No go.
I would have loved to stay.
Thank God. Carry your bag go inside.
Our guy is a nice man.
I know say na nice man.
But you know I can't live here for so long. He's married and he cannot marry me. But now God has decided to provide my own husband for me. Try and understand.
See, leave Oga. I go marry you. As a matter of fact, I love you. I love you, Nancy. Very, very well. No be small love. Long one. Double barrel love.
You mean I should leave my fiancé and come and marry you?
Nancy, you didn't tell me you had a business or you still own a business that way they make small finance. No, if not that one, no leave your finance. Hold on well. Go your finance well. So that if the small finance way I go collect from here, we go put the finance together or we go take help our marriage. So keep your finance, hold your finance well, hold my finance well. So that our marriage, you go support me, I go support you with finance. No leave them. Hold on well.
Okunta, see, I'm trying to say my fiancé, my husband, the person that wants to marry me, I should leave the person that come and marry you. Ordinary getima.
Wait, now person wey wan marry you, na be that way you talk. Now I say make you hold am well, lose am, leave am, no hold am. See, as you see me like this now, Nancy, you don't tell why I love you. I don't love you, Tete. I don't love you, Tete. And now because of that Tete love, where I get for you, that make me they do everything why they do for you. Please, Nancy, no leave me, marry me.
This is serious.
Very serious.
Okunta, what makes you think I can condescend to marrying you? What were you even thinking?
The same thing where every man will love woman they think. Now that one now they think. As you see me like this now, I love you. The love where I get for you, are they ready to do anything? Are they ready to swim ocean? Are they ready to jump empire building? Are they ready to jump skyscraper for the kind of love where I get for you? I don't mind. The love where anything where any man with love woman they think. Now they think. See, Nancy, because I use God's name to beg you. When you blow this grammar, when you knock out this grammar, blow the one way I go understand. Blow the one way be my mate. Blow the one way be my level. Make you no go below the one where you go below. When I supposed to say yes, I go say no. Or when I supposed to say no, I go say yes. My the worker. Please bring down the grammar, but to make you understand, say I love you. Nancy. Nah.
Anyways, I don't have that time like you do. Remember all the things I taught you about the kitchen, how to warm and prepare Oga's food. Don't say I didn't tell you. It's just the two of you in the house. I'm leaving. I don't have more time.
You remember how we used to. You remember how we used to. Now that you want to go and get married now, you want to leave me. Let us go and do send off party. Let us come and do me send off. Oh, even if it is boy, even if it is the boy that make it boy, you can go. But I beg, no leave me like this.
See, the man has actually paid for my pay.
Thank you. Say now your head you pay, no pay here. Now your head you pay, no pay here. So make I use here. I don't go touch you for head. I don't go touch the place where you pay. Now the place where you never pay. Nancy. I don't go touch where you don't pay. I know where you don't pay. Now I go touch. Make I touch the damn now. Nancy. Hey, Nancy.
God, I don't tire for this life. They don't drive me more for car wash again. Who did I offend this offense? Why my own different? Work no day, money no day. Only this my cloth. Every day this one. Oh God, Uzoma. Hey, all this suffer and pain. Just because I want come city. Just because of say you want come city.
with your big nose.
They say I'm stinking. I'm a farmer that house to make the money in the village. I don't know what they say, but they say I'm dirty. The city people think I'm crazy, cause I'm hustling in dirty. But they don't know that the city is for everybody. I'm gonna go right there, pick up my life and hustle. And I'm gonna boost my hustle. And if I make this money, then go down balaga.
Oga na simple talk now. No be house help needed.
Exactly.
Very small challenge.
Exactly.
I don't write that one, put Jara.
That's all right. Wait, listen. Not just house help needed.
What's in again?
I want a qualified house help. Somebody who can cook very, very well.
Okay.
And if possible, I need somebody who is nicer than Nancy. Yes.
Oga, Nancy, they blow big grammar too much. So if I go bring person where sabi book pass Nancy,
yes.
Let me say the person feel come here one day, blow one big grammar where you go blow. I no go understand what the person talk. I go burn this house down. Things say what the person tell me.
Okay.
So I better go bring person where no too sabi book, pass Nancy, so that the person go dey blow grammar where me I go understand to avoid you understand. But if not for person where sabi cook, I can go sleep. Any person, if I trust me, I go bring person who sabi cook very, very well.
If you say so anyway.
Or make any small money for material. Or make I use the other.
No, go on with what you have there.
Just because my beef for you don't know.
No, go on, don't worry,
This thing, the marker, the ink don't they almost finish. OMG.
Father, in the name of Jesus, we thank you for this beautiful gift you've given unto us this day. Bless this food, O Lord, in Jesus' name. Amen.
No, but can we skip it later? Oh, okay. No. Okay. I'll be there. I'll be there now. I'm coming right away. All right. Honey, please, I have to run along. Something came up. Okay? I'll have to see you later. Something came up, very important. Okay? Excuse me. Please, I'm coming.
Sister, where is he rushing after?
I don't know.
Alright, let's eat. I've lost my appetite already. Eating. Sister, you don't want to eat because... Huh? I'm hungry, I want to eat. Somebody will eat.
Mama, I came back yesterday. Mama, ever since I heard Uzoma is missing, Mama, I've been feeling bad. I'm like family, you can tell me. Have you seen her? Have you heard from her?
Udoka, what do you want me to tell you? What do you want me to tell you? You left Uzoma and went to the city. She followed you and now she's lost. So what do you want me to tell you?
Mama,
I do not want to see you in my compound until I see my daughter. Doka, leave my house.
Mama.
Leave here! Go! Leave my house. Nonsense. Hi. Soma. Soma. Where are you?
Sir, in respect to the advert placement for a job vacancy, I humbly present my humble self, Miss Edith Ejiro here speaking.
So, you look me finish. You look me finish under this sun. The rap give me. I mean, it be 2-pack. If a woman go wear bling bling, I might not say it be 2-pack with the rap. Am I? Under this sun. See me, I tell you. You see this work? This work not be for people like you, they blow big grammar. Go.
Ah, sir, let me shock you. I can do it.
It be electric wire. It be electric with a shock person. You can do it.
Yes.
You can do it.
Yes.
Okay, no problem. Primary assignment. Read this way they write for you.
Okay.
Read the down one or the down side.
You must agree with the GM.
Or say?
You must agree with the GM.
You say?
You must agree with the GM.
Or say?
You must agree with the GM.
You see that one? You see that one? That one I made the most important one.
Okay. That means I must agree to the denominate direct of the general manager.
You see you? You see your life? You see say you dey greedy? Is you know the obvious to you now say you be greedy human being. What's in the worry on? Waiting, see here where your fellow guests they do, they go fine. You do your own, it be like you be it be like bird, go just fly come out. You never even they sure whether I go employ you or not. You don't target the general manager. That's how they behave. Work where you never they sure whether I go give you. You don't target general manager. You are a greedy human being. Come up for this place, this job not be for a person like you.
So who is the GM? Who does
the GM?
Yes.
Who is the GM?
Yes.
That GM where you see? That GM, the full meaning of the GM, na GM. And na me with the GM, which is na me with the gate man.
What? You?
V W
out of your mind.
You is mad. Come on for this place. Go there out of I know here. See you now. When I go just there like this, they do nonsense. I never even employ you for work. You don't target general manager. Greedy girl. See, make I tell you now. You see this work. Any girl will go take this work, go agree say anything with me I talk, now she go do. Because I don't go there for water again. Soap gonna enter my eye. Now so I go mumu the other one. Soap enter my eye. Nancy. We be say na me make Nancy come the work for this place. I can't keep Nancy. Can Nancy ferment here? I can want ferment here. Make Nancy ferment. Can before I consume Nancy. That's why I do mumu. Another man come from nowhere, carry Nancy. Wow. Picking where I keep making ferment. Only was I pour water. Wow. I no go there for that same water again. Make soap enter my eye. Any girl will go do as I talk. Make she go another place, go look for work. Because what happened for me before, it no go happen to me again. Makes sense. GM.
be sleeping here.
Rafa, what is going on? Where are you coming from?
I went for a business meeting. But don't worry, I will explain later.
Don't bother.
Let's go inside. Come, let's go to bed.
See, let me tell you, you see this place, you're going to leave this place. If I fall, if I fall, you're leaving this place. You expected who?
Look at you. Before you came to this place, we had an agreement. We had an agreement, and now you're thwarting the agreement because Oga has employed you. But let me tell you, whichever way you are seeing it, I'm going to tell you that I am the person that made you work here, and I will also make you live here. Live here, Osama. Osama,
oh, okay, make we talk.
What do they talk? Live here also. Osama, live here. I'm telling you. You are the head to our discussion. Now, let me tell you, I'm not interested. You're going to leave this. If it is Oga, that means you're going.
No, tell him, I beg. I go do what you say make I do. I beg.
You sure?
I beg.
You go do what I tell you say make you do.
Yes.
Who's Soma?